Hello everybody, today I will show you this item I just bought in the GearBest.com. It's a 19 set picklock. Yes, I just bought, and it takes very long time to ship to my address. It takes more than 30 years days. It's very long times. I just think it's lost, and very amazing. This morning it come to my address and it's quite good. The packet is packed well, and the item is dry. It's like the descriptions, and this. Okay, I will show you some item in this. The first is a lock, the normal lock, but its body is transparent. Its keys, subtracted items, and you can use in the file. Okay, so the first lock and the keys. Okay, it's work good. Now let's try to unlock this with these items. Okay, the first I will do this. Try to pull on this lock. In this lock you can see there are 5 locks in this. If you use keys, you will pull all of this off and the lock can be unlocked. Tick. Okay, let's do this. The first, use it to pull on this lock. The second, use it to roll the lock. Okay, let's do it again. Yes, it's very simple, but you need to practice more to unlock the non-transparent body lock. Okay, thanks for watching. Nice to meet you.